Have you opened your Android phone only to discover that Google Chrome has suddenly disappeared? It can be confusing, especially if you use Chrome every day. The good news is that the app is usually still on your device and can be restored in just a few simple steps. The first thing you should do is check your home screen and app drawer. Sometimes the Chrome icon is accidentally removed from the home screen while rearranging apps, but the app itself is still installed. Simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app drawer where all installed apps are listed. Use the search bar at the top and type Chrome. If the app appears, press and hold the Chrome icon, then drag and drop it onto your preferred location on the home screen for quick access. If Chrome doesn't appear in the app drawer, your phone may have hidden the app. Many Android manufacturers, including Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus, and Oppo, offer a feature that allows users to hide apps for privacy. Open Settings, then navigate to Home Screen, Display, or Home Screen and Lock Screen, depending on your device. Look for the Hide Apps option. If Google Chrome is listed there, simply uncheck or unhide it. Once disabled from the hidden list, Chrome should immediately become visible in your app drawer. Another common reason Chrome goes missing is that it has been disabled. Although Google Chrome cannot usually be uninstalled from Android devices, it can be turned off. To enable it again, open Settings, then scroll to open the Apps menu. To see all apps, then scroll down and select Chrome. If you see an Enable button instead of Open, tap Enable to reactivate the browser. Within a few seconds, Chrome will return to your app list and function normally. By following these simple methods, you can quickly restore Google Chrome on your Android phone and get back to browsing, syncing your bookmarks, passwords, and enjoying a smooth web experience.